very good, Walt. I recommend POA. Thank you very much. Runway Popeye, Joe Golf, Julie, green.
Watch out there. Every once in a while you'll see lightning.
Direct name NQXP, 5:12 p.m. Torrential rain, cloud to ground lightning. TW, checkout 73. I recognize ETW as checked out. Thank you for your help.
Okay, it is like really dark now. Well, you can see the clouds good through this thing. Ow, my shoulder.
It's coming from that way. We'll probably get it now. Clear of the back here.
Yeah.
Okay, station's calling you double. Station with a porch. Please call again.
Doggone it, I forgot that's broke. We need bad. It's gonna hit that electric thing. I'm not listening. I didn't hear that. Ooh, it's getting dark. I want to see some lightning. That's why I got this thing on.
5:15 p.m. Heavy torrential rain, cloud to ground lightning, and wind. Thank you very much. Runway Popeye, Joe Golf, Wayne County Skywarn Net, control. Condition green.
You can't see it with the dogs out there under the car. Dogs out there under the truck.
Well, I'm pretty sure you can go in the back or under the porch or somewhere to hide.
Now the wind's picking up.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's starting to rain.
Where's the lightning?
We don't want no lightning.
Yes, we do. That's why I've got this thing on so I can hear some lightning. And there is no lightning anywhere, but there's a lot of... Ooh, look at the rain. Okay, big rain. I had to run home. My window was open. I'm soaked now from running just one way. Streets are flooding. We are under severe thunderstorm warning as of now. Light again. Flooding out. If we get a big gust of wind, we're gonna lose that thing. if we get a big enough gust of wind, we're going to lose that piece of siding off that house. Hopefully it doesn't fly through a window or something. Oh, wow, this is the only way you can hear me because the wind's blocking me out. She's even all wet. Look at this. Check out that rain.